In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track button and link clicks as conversions in Google Ads. By the end, you'll have a reliable setup using Google Tag Manager that attributes valuable clicks back to your campaigns. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the main menu, open Goals, then go to Conversions and head to the Summary view. Here, click the plus New Conversion action button to create a new conversion you can optimize toward. You'll be prompted to choose a category. Pick the option that best matches your objective. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with calls from website visits, which is ideal when a button or link triggers a phone call from your site. Next, define how you want to identify the event, then confirm by selecting Use this event. When the details look right, click Save and Continue. On the tag setup screen, choose Use Google Tag Manager. You'll see a conversion ID and a conversion label. Note these down carefully. You'll paste them into Tag Manager in a moment. Now switch to Google Tag Manager and open your website's container. Before anything else, make sure a conversion linker tag is present and set to fire on all pages. This tag preserves the ad click information that Google Ads needs, and it's essential for accurate tracking. Next, enable the built-in click variables so you can target specific elements on your site. Go to Variables, click Configure, and select all options under the Click section. These variables, like click text, click classes, and click URL, will help you build precise triggers. Create your conversion tag by adding a new tag and selecting Google Ads Conversion Tracking. Paste in the conversion ID and conversion label you noted earlier. Then add a trigger that fires when users click the button or link you care about. You can choose a Just Links or All Elements click trigger and narrow it with conditions such as click URL contains tell. For call links, click text equals your button label, or click classes includes a specific class. Save the tag and trigger. Test everything using preview mode in Tag Manager. Open your site, perform the intended click, and confirm in the debug panel that your conversion tag fires. If it doesn't, adjust your trigger conditions until it does. When you're satisfied, submit and publish the container. Finally, return to Google Ads and monitor the conversion action. It can take some time for status to change to recording. Use Tag Assistant and the conversion diagnostics to verify implementation. That's it, your button and link clicks are now tracked as conversions.